Introducing the 2006 BMW 325. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power moonroof, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.